So give me the figures, what did you buy it for?
Okay, so this one we purchased for 290,000.
Yep.
And then we had our refurbing costs, which came in, including the furnishing, about just over 21,000 thereabouts.
So what's the new market value of this now that you've done?
The new market value of this is 425, minus in your mortgage, booking cost, housekeeping, laundry, monthly expenses, everything else. Leaves us with $3,500 a month on average.
3,500 a month net profit for a house you bought for 290,000 that's now worth 425. What an amazing property deal. Welcome to Property Investing with Abby. On today's programme, I'm in the Peak District, one of my favourite places. And I'm here to meet Steve Dornan. We're going to be checking out his newest Airbnb business, his newest serviced accommodation cottage. Now I really like this in cottages. Look at this, the cutest little door, and this is proper like Peak District brick.
Hello! Should have rang.
Thank you so much for having me today, Steve.
Thanks for coming down.
Peak District is one of my favourite places, and I love your front door and the brick as well. It is a proper Peak District house, isn't it?
Very much a proper Peak. It's about 200 years old, the property, so it's a very nice, quintessentially British place.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Why did you buy in the Peak District?
Number one reason, because we love it. So Jodie and my partner and I, we come to the Peak District loads to do trekking and spend time here. So we know the area really well, and as well as obviously working well as a business, it gives us the lifestyle of being able to come up and stay here and spend time in the countryside.
So can you show me around? I'm so excited.
Have a look. Kitchen.
This is such a gorgeous big space as well, isn't it?
Yeah, we just wanted to keep it nice and open, and they already had the lovely wooden worktops, so we just got them restored and refurbished, and of course the goodies for the guests when they arrive.
Oh, the welcome basket. Oh, and we've got a welcome to Butcher's Cottage.
We're in the dining room, and you might recognise this wall. This is inspired by a wall that I saw in one of your properties, so I just borrowed that idea, so thank you very much.
Do you know, you've really got the colours right in this room, and that's part of running a successful holiday cottage, isn't it? You want to make it, get the colours right. You've done it really nice with a mix of the old, because I love the fireplace that you've left. You see, some people board it up, but I think it's lovely the way you've left it open, and I love the panelling. Glad I inspired you.
Yeah, it keeps a bit of the character, doesn't it? And then the flooring, wanted something hard wearing down here, because we do allow dogs so we can get more bookings. But we of course don't want to lose the carpet over time, so we thought vinyl flooring downstairs and carpet upstairs. So this is the lounge.
Oh, beautiful!
So we wanted a bit of a room that when you're scrolling, you're looking at the pictures, it turns the lookers into bookers.
Yes.
So
lookers into bookers!
So we want people to stop and actually have a bit more of an in-detail look. So we thought this room would capture people's attention, bit of character, nice place to hang out, nice and relaxing.
I think the interior design, you've absolutely smashed it, it's lovely. And what I like, what Steve's done in this room is he's made it so again, it's easy to keep clean as a holiday cottage. You see, when I go away with my two little kids, I've got a 7 and a 10-year-old, my panicking and them getting crap everywhere, but I know if I sit them here, I could just wipe it off. So you've really catered for everybody, haven't you?
Yeah, I think we wanted to get the style right, but we also need it to be things we can clean down and things we can keep well maintained. So we've got a bath, got a separate shower.
Yes.
One of the things we wanted to do, so we don't have to keep using single-use plastic, is rather than give the little shower gels in the shower, the shampoos, is we've got the one you can refill. So as well, when you do that, you get a little mark now on booking.com to say that you're eco-friendly as well, which helps you with your online.
You've thought of everything, and again, it's nice because what some people do is they forget about their bathrooms in holiday cottages. So you walk in, it's just like plain, but you've thought about the little touches, just making it feel more homely, and people would really appreciate that as they're coming in.
This is the twin room. Of course, you could have 2 adults in if you've got 6 adults in the property, but often you're going to have families who are going to want somewhere for their kids to stay. My favourite feature is the lamp.
Yeah, look at his little feet. It's got little feet sticking out. That's really cool. And I like how you've matched the wallpaper with it as well.
Yeah, and the light. We just wanted to keep a bit of a theme to the room, so the style of the beds and a few bits and pieces around to keep the room, give it a bit of feel. So every room's got its own feel to it, own character. So then we've got another bedroom. This one's king size bed. as you can see, dressed and ready for guests to turn up. Give them a couple of towels and keep everything nice and smart. We tend to put hangers in open wardrobes. It just keeps the space more open rather than putting a closed wardrobe and filling up the room.
I think that looks quite nice as well, doesn't it? It looks really smart. It just brings the character in.
And then we've got the main bedroom. So this one's super king size bed, nice and big. Yeah, and the mattress is all really comfy. So we always get really good mattresses. People love to have a nice sleep when they're away and be able to relax.
And what's in there?
Oh, we've just got an ensuite bathroom.
Oh, one room's ensuite. See, that's fab because you've got 3 bedrooms here, so you've got main bathroom, 1 bedroom's ensuite. That's perfect.
Yeah, it just helps, doesn't it, to give a little shower, toilet, sink space that people can get ready in.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Out here needed a little bit of love.
Yeah.
One thing we did do is we astroturfed the garden. It was paving before, but we just astroturfed it to keep it a bit of green, but also easy to maintain as well. So.
And we have a hot tub.
We do.
And you find that guests use this and really appreciate it?
Oh yeah. And I think during the winter season and the autumn season, people like to still come along and stay in the sit in a hot tub. So it helps you get more bookings. And of course, when we come here, we like to sit in the hot tub as well. So
crystal clear, look, water, perfect. And a lot of people say to me that they don't have hot tubs in their holiday cottages because it's just a faff and a pain. But how do you guys do it?
We've just got a firm that comes in, and every single time there's a changeover, they drain it down, they clean the hot tub, they refill it, and they treat it. And same as housekeeping, it's just part of our changeover process.
What I want to help you with now is so many people talk to me about how do they know they're wealthy? How can they assess their wealth? Now there's different ways of assessing your wealth. So what we've done for you is put together a wealth appraisal. Do a series of questions and you will get your thick report telling you how wealthy you are and what areas you need to do it. After those questions, you then get sent a personalised report that tells you where you need to work on or what you need to focus on. Now I thought I was doing okay. I've got a bit of a big portfolio, got lots of properties, but it turns out I need to work on my time. So what I've done for you is I would love each of you to fill this wealth appraisal in. So click below the video and click the link and follow me on there. Or across the screen, we've put a unique link for you. Type that into a browser and get cracking on your wealth appraisal. Honestly, when you've done the report, you can't wait to start pushing through the actions that you need to increase your wealth and give your family the life that you deserve. Oh, Stevie, this is absolutely stunning. And I know I've tried to book a few times, haven't I? And you always tell me no. Why?
It's not personal. You just ask me when it's already booked up. So we get booked up quite far in advance. So you have to give me a little bit more warning than next weekend or in a month's time. And then it's all yours.
For anyone that's wanting to actually book this, Stevie, that absolutely love the tour and think, yeah, I'd love to take my family there, how can they book?
We'll stick a link in the description and then they're welcome to come and book directly with us, and we'd love to have them stay.
Amazing. So give me the figures. What did you buy it for?
Okay, so this one we purchased for $290,000.
Yep.
Stamp duty, legals, came to about just over 14,000.
Yep.
And then we had our refurbing costs, which came in, including the furnishing, about just over 21,000 thereabouts. Then we're just in the process of refinancing the cash back out now, and we'll get pretty much all of the cash except for 7,000. So we're leaving 7,000 in.
But it'll be in as your equity, won't it?
Yeah. So we're getting everything that we put in back out, minus 7,000, and then we're doing exactly the same again. So we've had an offer accepted around the corner, and rinse and repeat, as the saying goes.
Yeah.
So we're looking forward to that one as well.
So what's the new market value of this now that you've done?
The new market value of this is 425.
Steve bought this place for 290,000. It's now worth 425,000. With a 20-30 grand refurb and stamp duties. That is amazing. And what do you think on average you'll make per year?
This one's quite straightforward. So the net profit in a month, once the mortgage is going, so minus in your mortgage, booking cost, housekeeping, laundry, monthly expenses, everything else, leaves us with 3.5 grand a month on average. Of course, you're going to have slightly more in the summer and slightly lower in the winter, but averagely it works out 3,500 a month.
3,500 a month net profit for a house you bought for 290,000 that's now worth 425. What an amazing property deal.
See you later, Rose.
See you later, bye.
I'll see you soon.
Oh, what an incredible holiday cottage. Butcher's Cottages, and a huge well done to Steve for everything he's accomplished here, and his beautiful partner Jodie. So that's Property Investing with Abby today. I hope you've enjoyed it, learning about serviced accommodation, holiday lets, Airbnb business, and that's me in the Peak District, and I'll see you on next week.